Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change audio balance for your earbuds TCL. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android, and then I will move to the iPhone. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check also iPhone part to find the similar path to these settings. Okay, on your Android, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility. Scroll down, and right here at the bottom, at least on stock Android, at the bottom we have accessibility. Enter here, then scroll down again, and at the bottom you'll find audio adjustment. Tap at this line, and right here we have audio balance. So, if you move this dot to the left, you will lower the volume for the right earbud, and the left earbud will be the same. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you move this dot to the right, you increase the volume for the right channel, but lower it for the left channel. So you need to move this dot and test what will be the best one for you. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we should go to accessibility. Scroll down and click at the accessibility line, located under the general settings. In the accessibility you need to also scroll down, and in the hearing you will find audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have audio balance. So if you move this dot to the left, you will lower the volume for the right channel, and your left channel will be the same. If you use 100% on your left channel, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. So you need to move this dot and test, play some song and test what will be the best one for you. If you move this slider to the right, you will lower the volume for the left channel. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!